In today's video, we will talk about Odoo versus ERPNext. When choosing between Odoo and ERPNext, it helps to evaluate several factors like cost, features, scalability, and customizations. Odoo is known for its modular structure. Odoo offers an extensive library of modules, over 10,000, covering everything from CRM and accounting to HR, inventory, and project management. Many of these are available through Odoo's official platform and community modules, making it highly versatile. Whereas ERPNext, aimed at smaller to mid-sized businesses, ERPNext provides a comprehensive suite of core ERP features out of the box, including HR, CRM, accounting, and project management. ERPNext is also industry focused with specific modules for industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Whereas Odoo has a polished, user-friendly interface. It is designed to be modular, so teams can start with one module and add other as needed. However, this modularity can lead to some complexity as more features are added. Whereas ERPNext has a straightforward, minimalistic interface and a more consolidated feature set, which is easier to learn for non-technical users. It also provides good documentation and community support, but Odoo's interface may feel more refined for users accustomed to more modern UIs. Also, Odoo is known for a wide range of integrations with popular business tools, especially in the enterprise version. And ERPNext provides essential integrations and some third-party plugins, though the options are fewer compared to Odoo. So basically, both solutions are solid. So choosing the right one will depend on your specific business size, budget, and complexity needs. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.